Hello everyone, I'm Wang. Today, what I want to share is still related to our Enran tent. Enran comes in two different versions, a single person version and a double person version. The outer tent of both of these versions is exactly the same size. The only difference between them is that the single person version has just one door, while the double person version, on the other hand, has two doors. The single person inner tent has one door, and the double person inner tent also has two doors. However, some users have told us that if they buy a single person Enran or a double person Enran, they want to know whether it's possible to use a different inner tent for compatibility. The answer is yes. Actually, the Enran single and double versions have inner tents that are fully compatible with each other. If you already have an Enran double 4-season inner tent, but when the weather gets hot and you want to use a tent alone, you just need to replace it with a single 3-season inner tent. I want to tell everyone that when you buy the inner tent, we provide 4 connecting ropes. You can see that there are 2 shorter ones and 2 longer ones. The shorter ropes go in the front and the longer ropes go in the back. Actually, there's no strict distinction between front and back. As long as you align the direction of the doors, it will be fine. Really, for example, place the longer ones at the back sides and the shorter ones at the front sides. This makes it easy to swap them out. Let me show you how it works. Okay. When we're replacing this single person inner tent, first we need to undo this buckle. And then we need to loosen this cord loop. We also need to remove this part, untie this knot. Then take this rope off, then put this longer rope on it. Remember to wind it around and pass it through backwards. Then tie a knot with the rope. This way, we've basically replaced the cord loop, and then we just need to carefully attach this fastener directly to the inner tent, to the tent for people. Just reattach this fastener to the single person version, and the Enran tent will be ready. Understand it.